It's honestly crazy to me that there are people out there who genuinely believe that they could do a little bit of code, learn the basics in 90 days or whatever, and get hired as professional software engineers. Just think about it for a moment. Even just to get an interview, you're competing with hundreds of super qualified and directly experienced people. And then that's just to get the interview. And then after that, you've got to do well in the interview, in among the five people who've been shortlisted or whatever. And those are the top five out of the people who applied, right? And then, if assuming you make it to that, you've got to compete with them. Do you really think that just working a few hours in a week, or 10 hours a week, is going to be enough for that? Like, the odds of that success are so small that it's pretty close to zero, right? But yet people think that's possible because they see this on social media and stuff. It is possible with the right plan that you can get there in 6 to 12 months, but about 800 to 1,000 hours of work, I reckon. Um, but really, the trick here is not to learn the basics. The trick here is to know how to stand out so that hiring managers are actually wanting to call you in for the interview. Like, that's the major trick here, right? Or the major challenge here. So don't get fooled by this learning to code is enough stuff. There's a lot more to this game of career change to code than just learning the basics.